Genetic engineering involves the manipulation of the genetic material, that is DNA, of organisms. Unsurprisingly, this field of research has sparked extensive discussions on the ethical implications, particularly concerning gene editing, cloning, and the concept of designer babies. Debates primarily revolve around the boundaries of science and technology and the potential and known consequences of altering the genetic makeup of living beings. Genetic engineering allows scientists to introduce specific genes or alter existing ones to achieve desired trait or characteristics in the organism. It has numerous applications, including agriculture, medicine, and biotechnology. Gene editing, particularly the CRISPR-Cas9 technology, has been rapidly evolving and has made significant advancement with potential applications across various fields, including medicine, agriculture, and environmental conservation. The CRISPR revolution started only a decade ago in April 2012, when UC Berkeley researchers discovered how to redesign a protein at the heart of the immune systems of many bacteria to target and cut DNA in organism, plant, or animal. CRISPR has shown great promise in treating genetic diseases by enabling precise editing of the human genome. Scientists have been exploring its potential to correct genetic mutations responsible for disorders like cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and certain types of cancer. CRISPR-based gene editing allows for precise modifications in plant genomes, offering a way to enhance crop characteristics like yield, nutritional content, and resistance to diseases and environmental stress. CRISPR can aid in conservation efforts by potentially modifying the genes of endangered species to increase their resilience and adaptability to changing environments. Its applications in germline editing, altering genes in embryos or reproductive cells, can have long-lasting effect on future generations and requires careful consideration and regulation. Designer babies refer to children whose genetic makeup has been deliberately modified by using various technologies to enhance or select specific traits before they are born. This concept has been a subject of ethical debate due to the potential implications on individuals, society, and future generations. Concerns about eugenics. Eugenics is the practice of selectively breeding or modifying individuals to promote specific desired trait while eliminating undesirable ones. The concept of designer babies raises concerns about unintended eugenic practices, as parents might be tempted to choose certain traits, potentially leading to a homogenization of the population and stigmatization of individuals with natural genetic variations. Genetic modification technologies are still in their early stages, and the long-term health and safety implications of altering the human genome are not fully understood. Some argue that allowing genetic modifications for certain traits, even for medical purposes, might lead to a slippery slope where people pursue enhancement for non-medical and purely aesthetic reasons, potentially devaluing the concept of natural diversity. The potential implications of genetic enhancement are vast and complex, encompassing various social, cultural, and economic dimensions. Social implications. Genetic enhancement could exacerbate existing social inequalities if it becomes accessible only to the wealthy or privileged individuals or groups. The high cost associated with genetic technologies and treatment could create a genetic divide where only the affluent can afford enhancements, leading to a further widening gap between advantaged and disadvantaged members of society. The use of genetic enhancement could alter societal perceptions of what is considered normal human traits. This shift might lead to the marginalization or devaluation of individuals who possess natural traits that are no longer deemed desirable in the genetically enhanced society. Also, widespread adoption of genetic enhancement may result in reduced genetic diversity as certain traits become more prevalent due to deliberate selection. This could lead to cultural homogeneity and potentially diminish the adaptability of the human population to changing environments. Economic implications. If genetic enhancements are primarily available to those who can afford them, it could deepen healthcare disparities and widen the gap in health outcomes between different socioeconomic groups. It is important to note that these implications are speculative and based on the potential development and adoption of genetic enhancement technologies. Societal responses and policies will play a crucial role in shaping the actual outcomes and mitigating negative effects. Ethical considerations and public discourse around genetic enhancement are vital to address these potential concerns proactively. What do you see as the most exciting potential applications of genetic engineering?